It's freaking clogged. These clippings are jamming up the sweeper. Look at that big power right there, watch. Boom. The sweeper's not the best for cleaning big piles up. Freaking, I gotta keep unclogging it. What? Doing a good job, just taking a long time. So I'm gonna go faster picking this up. That's my idea. You can see the bristles aren't spinning because the grass that's in here is freaking jamming it up. Because look, you see the big clumps that's in the brush roll. So give me a second. Let's count how many times this sweeper gets clogged. It's already been clogged like 3 times already. Cleaning up these grass clippings. It's jammed more. You know, I'm just gonna throw the grass clippings out in the grass. Because that's where they go technically. Picks up great. The only pain is when you run over big stuff like that, you have to worry about big grass clipping clogs in the machine. Like this, for example. Boom, I sucked it right up. No problem. Now it's clogged again. So you're gonna have to empty the grass clippings right back out in the grass. Put that big chunk right there. Let's pull that out. What? 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 Time for round 6. I'm cleaning these clippings up. The big part's almost over. Just gotta get these clippings. See, we're getting some grass. Get that. That. Gosh, there's a rock that just hit that machine unit here. It looks like crap, but I'm trying to try to get the best I can. Look, and you see there's zigzags. So I can't really get all of it. I hate those stupid grass pieces that are in the cracks, so it slows my machine down. Yeah, it's just gonna have to be for now. Look, you can see there's lines, but it's gonna have to be for now. I mean, it's the best I could do, in my opinion. That's the best I can do. Pick up almost all of it. Let's see how many clippings we got. Oh my God! Look at that. Hold on, I can't see those clippings. Gotta get them out. So I did a good job of picking up the clippings. Not the best, but it would do. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.